guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the contactor wiring exercise number 5 using Y connection. This is line 1, line 2 and line 3. This is circuit breaker 3-phase. Then connect sa contactor 1, main contact 3 and main contact 5. Then ang 2, 4 and 6. Ang 2 nag-connect sa ilaw sa terminal 1, lamp A. Ang terminal 4 naka-connect siya sa terminal 5 and terminal 6. Then ang terminal 2 naka-connect sa main contact terminal 4. Then ang terminal main contact 6 naka-connect ang terminal 3 sa ilaw C. That is the power circuit. Then this is a control circuit. This is line 1, stop, 1 and 2 normally close, 3 and 4 start, normally close contact, normally open contact 13 and 14. Then contactor E and B. Then line 2 start siya, magko-close contact, energize ang contactor, then magko-close to, then umilaw. Then another circuit is contactor wiring exercise using delta connection. This is line 1, line 2, line 3. Circuit breaker 3-phase. Contactor 1, main contactor 1, 3 and 5. 2, 4 and 6. Terminal 1, terminal 4. Terminal 1 and terminal 6 naka-connect siya in series sa contactor main contact terminal 2. Then ang 4 of 2 naka-connect siya in series sa terminal 4 contact. Then terminal 6 naka-series siya sa terminal 5 and terminal 3. Then ito yung control circuit. Line 1 stop, normally close 1 and 2. Then 3 start, close button. Then contactor normally open 13 and 14. Then contactor E and B for line 2 start o close ang normally open. Then here is contactor. Then this one magko-close. Then umilaw to. Umilaw tatlo. Bible verse of the day, Psalms 99:9. Exalt the Lord our God and worship at His holy hill, for the Lord our God is holy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.